Once a farmer had three sons. The sons were very lazy, but the two was very greedy, and the third one was very wise man. After the death, all the property land divided among the first two children, but the third was left. The first two gave him a donkey where his father was using in his fields and doing working in his fields. But the elder and third person was very wise, and he accepted only donkey. He decided to do something new for his area and his brothers. He arranged a shirt and went to a public place with this donkey and announced, this sentence was very shocking for all of us. He said, my donkey told anything you want to ask. He has a deep knowledge. All the people were very ashamed and surprised. This talk and this sentence flew over the palace of king. When the king listened this thing, he ordered to demand the donkey with his honor. The donkey was in the palace of king. The king asked, I asked you a question, and if you give a correct answer, then I give you a lot of reward. The honor replied, you can ask. The king asked, how many stars in the sky? The donkey was donkey first look up, and then second one look downward. Then the owner of donkey replied to king that my donkey asked, there is a lot of number of stars in the sky, and my donkey cannot one by one count. If you can count, then it required a lot of years. When the emperor or king listened this thing, the emperor was very surprised, and he encouraged the donkey and the owner of this donkey. He ordered his servant to give a lot of coin and gold for this reward. The king was very surprised. Sometimes later, the neighbor king attacked his region. He demanded again that donkey and donkey owners. He asked, what we do? Then the donkey similarly first look upward and then look downward. Then the owner of the donkey asked, tell the emperor or king that the donkey asked me, I do not dealings of battles or regions. I only dealings the sky, stars and moon and lights and each and everything about the sky. When the king replied, listen to this one, he also shocked and gave a lot of amount to others and asked that your donkey was very, very intelligent and genius. He gave me a true and straightforward questions and answers. This way, if a person has a little wise, a little intellectual and technical mind, then he arrange a lot of money with his wisdom and with his actuality and with his